Alright, so in this video, I'm showing you guys how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers without using the chopped long division method. Because you know the long division method is annoying and sometimes it's like, it's just chopped. And I'm going to show you guys the easier way to do that without having to do that long division stuff. So right off the back, you could actually turn this into 8, 4 plus 3, 4. So as you can see, 8 plus 3 equals 11. And the bottom is 4 because it's always the same. The denominator is always going to stay the same. So now we have this. You're just going to want to do division. What is 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And then you get 2 plus 3 fourths, which then equals to 2 over 3 fourths. Boom. So you see, we solved that problem without using that chopped long division method. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is 17 over 5. So you could actually convert that to 15 plus 2. Oh my gosh, my fault for that long 2. But anyways, you can convert that to that. And now you could just do division. So 15 divided by 5, what is that? That's 3. So then you got 3 plus 2 fifths. So now that you got that, you want to add them, and then boom, you get 3 and 2 fifths. And you see, you did all of that without that little whatever the heck this is. So, and it's faster, but I'm gonna be showing you right now a harder problem and how to solve like a bigger one. Alright, so here we have 45 over 7. And you just write down the multiples of 7, and you want to get the highest one that fits into 45. So the highest one that fits in 45 is 42. So we're going to break this down again. So 42, you get 42. Remember, the bottom number always stays the same. And then 42 plus what equals 45, which is 3, which is 7. So you have this, and then you want to get 42. This is 42, by the way. And you divide it by 7, which is 6. And then you plus that with 3 sevenths, which then equals 6 and 3 sevenths. And then to really quick, if you want to check your work, all you want to do is multiply 6 and 7 and then plus the 3. So 6, 7, when you times them, equals 42, and then plus a 3. 42 plus 3 equals 45, and remember, the denominator always stays the same, so it actually goes straight back to this number right here. So yeah, that's really quick how you do it without using the long form. As you can see, we have a bigger problem here, and usually I'm even in high school, and if I see this sometimes on the review sheets or whatever, on little stuff, I'm like, oh shoot, I'm cooked. I luckily forgot how to do this because I did it so long ago. But I'm going to show you guys how to easily do this real quick. So you might be thinking, how the heck am I going to split this into two numbers like I did with 15 and 2? Because it's a bigger number. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to get the highest multiples of 6. So I'm going to write them down really quick. Alright, so now that you wrote the multiples of 6, honestly, you don't really need to go past 10. If you get to the first 9, that's typically what you're gonna need. And so yeah, so now the highest multiple of 6 that could fit into 53, as you can see, is 48. So this one right here. Now that you found the highest multiple of 6, so that's what you're gonna want to do. So you get the highest multiple that could fit into 53, which is 48, and then you get that, and then you plus it by 5 and 5 6, because the denominator always has to stay the same no matter what. And 5 plus 48 equals 43. So now that you have that, you're going to want to divide these two, which is 8, and then you're going to want to plus 5 sixths, which then equals 8 and 5 6, and boom, look at this chopped problem that was right here. Look how fine it looks now. Look at this. So that's with even a bigger number. So yeah, that's just the process on how to do to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers without doing this stuff. And so yeah, I really appreciate you guys subscribe and like the video. It helps me out. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.